Hi there, Amit here for Advices Media, and in today's video we are going to set up the Asus Cube, which works with the Google TV and offers you with a platform wherein you can easily access the web, browse the web, access YouTube at 1080p quality, and also access different applications through the Android market. So in this video I am going to set it up for the very first time. The basic setup required here is that you need a HD TV in order to get some HD kind of quality, and along with that you just have to connect it through a HDMI cable like this. Just plug this kind of cable onto the HDMI out feature on the Asus Cube and insert this into your TV, and you are done. Select the source as HDMI and then you would get this screen as the very first screen. Now here what you need to do is you would find that it would first say that you need to set up your remote, which is the remote control pairing feature. Please check your batteries and make sure the pairing process is completed. So first you need to ensure that you have inserted the batteries. You need to insert two batteries, that is two AAA batteries on the top and the bottom, and then you are ready to go. Once you are done with that, the setup says that you need to continuously press these two buttons for continuously. So here are these buttons. Once you do that, it would the blue LED would flash one time per second. As you can see, it's actually flashing on the remote, and it would keep flashing there. You need to keep doing this for almost around 20 seconds in order to pair the remote control with the cube. And now you could see that there is a cursor on the screen which pops up, and you are ready to go. So now, as you can see, you have a cursor on the screen, the remote control is actually paired, and now the cursor actually works this way using the touch control on the remote. So this way I am actually using it and showing it to you. Now just go to the area which says press OK to continue, tap onto that, and now it would say that we are going to get started. Setup takes almost around 20 minutes, which includes maximizing your screen area, connected to the internet, signing into your Google account, setting up your TV service, and setting up your TV and AV receive and control. Let's proceed with the setup option. So here we go. In the first step, you will push each side of the Google TV screen to just barely cover the edges of your screen, which means that you are actually ensuring that the actual display would be to the border of the screen, that's to the end of the screen. So for that you need to actually tap on these options and proceed with the same. So here we go. You continuously have to press onto this button in order to move forward. Let's skip this option as of now. Now it says press and hold right on the remote until you no longer see the blue to the right of the black box, and this is how you can set it up. Let me just skip this part since it's not very important. Now let's go to the next step, which is connecting to the internet. Now we don't have a wired internet connection here because we are totally on a wireless connection option here. So let me just proceed with the wireless option. If you are on in a wired connectivity area, then you just have to insert the jack into the Asus Cube. So here we go. Let's tap on next. Now it will search for the Wi-Fi networks around this area, and let's keep searching for more. So here we have our network connection. It's actually open connection, so you don't have to enter the password, but in case if it is a secure connection, then you need to actually enter the password using the keypad available here. So it's actually trying to sync up with the Wi-Fi router. So here we are connected to the account, that is Advices Media. Now it asks us to enter the Google account logins, so let me just proceed with the same. Let's tap on sign in, and once the account is verified, we would be taken to the next step. So as you can see, it's actually synced up and we are ready to go. Now let's tap on next, and Here it would say that welcome, your account is set up, let's proceed with the same. Let's tap on next, and it asks us to enter the zip code. Let me just proceed with some random zip code, something like 10011, which is the zip code for New York. Now it says, how do you watch TV? I have a satellite cable or other set-top box. I actually have a set-top box here available, but I'm not setting it up right now. I can just skip that option and proceed on. I do not have a supported setup. Tap on next, and it says finish and restart. Let's tap onto that. It would actually shut down the whole unit, that's the SS Cube, and then restart the same. So having a cursor on your remote is something which is quite interesting, because you can easily move around the stuff. You can also enter data using the complete keyboard available here. So these are few interesting features, but actually we could only know once we start using the whole unit. So this video actually completes the part how you could set up the whole Asus Cube in the first 15 to 20 minutes, and what all is needed from your end.